Can the universe have more than 3 spatial dimensions? Intro. Opening the door of awareness. Imagine an ant living on a tabletop. For it, the world consists only of left, right, forward, backward. It has no awareness of the dimension upward. Not because that dimension does not exist, but because its senses were never designed to perceive it. Now, be honest with yourself. Are human beings certain that we are perceiving the entirety of space in the universe? Or could it be that we are just like that ant, living within a portion of reality and calling it the whole? What is striking is this: modern science has begun to question that assumption, not because it believes in mysticism, not because it wants to tell science fiction stories, but because, when the universe is studied deeply, the familiar 3 dimensions of space begin to feel insufficient to explain everything. Part 1. How many dimensions do humans perceive? From the moment we are born, we live in a world that feels familiar. Left, right, forward, backward, up, down, 3 dimensions of space, and time. The one thing that always moves forward. But there is one point that is extremely important to distinguish clearly. Science does not say that the universe has only 3 dimensions. Science only says that human beings directly perceive 3 dimensions. These 2 statements are completely different. We once could not see bacteria until the invention of the microscope. We once could not see galaxies until the invention of the telescope. So the question becomes, could there be dimensions of space that human senses were never designed to perceive? Part 2. Where did science begin to doubt? When scientists delved deeply into the structure of the universe, they encountered something strange. The laws of nature do not fit together smoothly. And there have been moments, very special moments in the history of physics, where simply assuming that space has 1 additional dimension caused equations that were once tangled to suddenly become elegant and coherent, not because someone wanted to believe, but because mathematics did not reject that assumption. In fact, in some modern physical models, when the extra dimensions are removed, the mathematics become self-contradictory. But when they are kept, everything begins to operate smoothly, almost suspiciously so. This does not prove that those dimensions exist, but it forces science to ask the question, are 3 dimensions of space really the entire picture? Part 3. If other dimensions exist, why don't we see them? This is the point most people misunderstand. Science does not say that there are huge dimensions right beside us, nor does it say that there are other worlds you can simply step into and see. Instead, there are very simple possibilities. Other dimensions may be extremely small, so small that no human sense or current technology can reach them. Like a wire that has thickness, yet from far away appears to be only a straight line. Or, we may be confined to a particular layer of space, like fish living in water, completely unaware of the air above. In some scientific models, only certain phenomena, such as gravity, are able to extend beyond our layer of space. And this could help explain why gravity is weaker than all other forces. Part 4. What is science searching for? The most important thing is this: science does not believe blindly. If other dimensions exist, they must leave traces. Traces that are extremely small, extremely subtle, such as energy that appears to disappear, or gravity behaving slightly differently than predicted. As of today, there is no direct evidence, but there is also nothing that completely rules it out. And science follows a very basic principle: not yet proven does not mean non-existent. Many things in history did not exist, only because humans lacked the tools to see them. Part 5. What does this mean for humanity? Every time science advances, we rediscover a familiar truth. Earth is not the center. The Milky Way is not special. Life may not be as rare as we once believed. And now, perhaps it is space itself. It may be that three-dimensional space is only the interface that human biology allows us to see. While reality itself may be far richer in structure, not to make humans feel small, but to remind us, the universe never promised to be simple. Opening a new cosmic horizon. If one day, science confirms that the universe truly has more than 3 dimensions of space, that moment will not simply be about adding a number to a textbook. It will be the moment humanity realizes that we do not live inside a familiar 3D room, but within a vast structure, layered, deeper than perception, where space does not end at what we can see. And then, questions about matter, about life, about consciousness, will have to be asked again, from the beginning. The universe has never been closed. It is only waiting for humanity to be patient enough to observe, humble enough to admit we do not yet know, and brave enough to continue asking questions. If you feel that the universe may be wider than what we were taught, leave a comment. And if you wish to continue this journey, follow along. Because this is only the first door.